Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow your own apricot tree from a seed. It's super easy, fun, and totally worth it. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab a nice ripe apricot, just cut it open and take out the pit. That little hard shell, that's what we need to get into. Now this part's important. Inside the pit is the actual seed we need. You can use a nutcracker or even a hammer to gently crack it open. Just be careful, you don't want to crush the seed inside. There you have it. Alright, now we're gonna help this little guy wake up. Wrap it in a damp paper towel, pop it in a plastic bag, and stick it in the fridge for about 4 to 6 weeks. This helps the seed think it's gone through winter, so it knows it's time to grow. This is how it looks after 5 weeks. You should see a little sprout, and that means it's time to plant. Just grab a pot with some good soil, make a little hole, and pop the sprouted seed in, root side down. Cover it lightly with soil and give it a nice drink of water. Keep the soil moist but not soaking wet, and put the pot somewhere sunny. Day 6, it starts to germinate and new leaves emerge. By the way, those little white thing on the soil is called perlite. It improves aeration and draining. Day 25, time to move it to a bigger pot. Here, I'm using 18-gallon pot size with diameter 18 inches wide. Set the plant in the middle and fill in the sides with soil. Press it down lightly to keep it steady. Now, let's sprint through the growing stages. A balanced fertilizer with an equal ratio is perfect. I just sprinkle a small amount around the base of the tree, then water it in. Do it twice a month. That's it. With a little patience and care, I've got my very own apricot tree. And in a few years, boom, fresh apricots right from my backyard. As it grows, make sure to trim the tree from time to time. You know, this whole journey took 6 months, from a tiny seed to a strong little tree. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. And see you in the next video. Bye.